I stand before you today, reminiscing about the invigorating experience of giving a talk to an enthusiastic group of individuals like yourselves. The audience was a diverse mix of professionals, students, and community members, all gathered at a local conference on sustainability and environmental awareness. My talk centered around the urgency of taking collective action to address climate change and its impact on our planet. It delved into the importance of adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives, businesses, and industries. I emphasized the need for renewable energy sources, reducing carbon footprints, and promoting eco-friendly technologies. I felt compelled to give this talk because I believe in the power of knowledge and awareness. As a passionate advocate for environmental conservation, I wanted to inspire and empower others to become agents of change. It is crucial to awaken a sense of responsibility and encourage everyone to make conscious decisions to protect the world we inhabit. The experience of giving the talk was truly gratifying. Witnessing the engaged faces of the audience and feeling their energy in the room, I sensed a strong connection with each individual. As I spoke, I could see the seeds of inspiration being sowed, and that alone filled my heart with joy. The collective realization that we have the ability to shape a sustainable future resonated deeply with me and reaffirmed my commitment to this cause. In conclusion, speaking to such an attentive and receptive group about a subject I hold close to my heart was an unforgettable experience. It reaffirmed my belief in the power of education and the potential we all have to make a positive impact. Let us carry this newfound motivation forward, united in our pursuit of a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable world. Thank you.